Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Kettle earbuds. First, download the Time Kettle application to your smartphone and ensure you have an active internet connection. Next, simply take your earbuds out of their charging case. They will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Once connected, you can choose from over 40 languages and 93 accents, setting up your personalized translation experience in just a few moments. It's a straightforward process to get you started. Time Kettle earbuds offer several smart modes for diverse communication needs. Simul mode enables seamless, two-way simultaneous translation, perfect for natural conversations. For louder settings, touch mode lets you tap an earbud to speak, ensuring clear voice pickup. Speaker mode is ideal for quick interactions, where one person wears an earbud and the phone broadcasts the translation. Lastly, listen mode is excellent for lectures or meetings, translating ambient speech directly to your ear. To further enhance your experience, consider downloading offline language packages for translation without an internet connection. You can also adjust the translation playback speed within the app to match the speaker's pace, ensuring optimal comprehension. The Time Kettle app provides additional features, including media translation for audio materials and AI summaries for meetings. Plus, your earbuds offer up to 3 hours of continuous translation, with an additional 9 hours of power available from the charging case. For optimal performance, always ensure your earbuds are fully charged and properly seated in their charging case. If you encounter connection issues, a quick reset often helps. Place both earbuds in the case, then press the button 4 times rapidly. To maintain a stable Bluetooth connection, keep your earbuds near your phone and minimize radio frequency interference. Remember to regularly clean the earbud tips and use the provided ear hooks for a secure and comfortable fit during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.